The Senior National Wrestling Championships began at the Koramangala Indoor Stadium here in Bangalore on Friday. Over 500 wrestlers from across the country will grapple for top honors at these championships. The backdrop, however, is a rather murky one. Remember, these championships are being organized by the Wrestling Federation of India, which incidentally is a body which has been de-recognized by the Union Sports Ministry, which incidentally prefers an ad hoc committee to run the affairs of the sports in the country. The Wrestling Federation of India, however, prefers to take matters into its own hands, and they do it because they believe that external interference is in violation of the norms of the world governing body for the sport. Just last month, the Delhi High Court asked the Wrestling Federation of India to not conduct these championships. It was only when the WFI said that the results from these championships will not be considered for selections that the decks were cleared and the go-ahead was given. However, several top names from the wrestling fraternity in the country are not participating, and the sheen of these championships have been taken off to a certain extent. We spoke to a few wrestlers that have assembled here, and this is what they had to say.
हमारे पहलवानों का ही नुकसान हो रहा है इसमें, जैसे कि हर साल कंपटीशन होते हैं और अगर ये कंपटीशन नहीं होगे तो उसके कारण काफ़ी अच्छे प्लेयर हैं जो मतलब कि वर्ल्ड लेवल के प्लेयर हैं और उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, मेडल भी देते हैं। तो अगर कंपटीशन नहीं होगा तो सर उस प्लेयरों का ही काफ़ी पहलवानों का नुकसान है। तो इसी के चलते ऐसा दोनों को मिलजुल कर काम करना चाहिए सर।
Regardless of the tussles between the WFI and the Union Sports Ministry, the wrestlers are here in full force because they believe that strong performances at the national championships will help them earn jobs and aid their career advancements.
मेरा मोटिवेशन है कि मैं यहाँ से मेडल लेके जाऊँ और रेलवे या पुलिस में भर्ती हो जाऊँ।